For most of our lives, we are taught to see illness as something random, a malfunction of the body, a genetic issue, or bad luck. But there is a deeper truth rarely discussed. The body does not break without reason. It responds, it communicates, and when it can no longer whisper, it begins to speak through pain. Another place illness speaks is through the throat and voice. Many people carry years of unsaid truth, swallowed opinions, suppressed emotions, and a constant fear of conflict. Over time, the body registers that silence as pressure. The throat tightens, the breath becomes shallow, and the voice loses power. Spiritually, the throat represents expression. When you don't express what is real, the body tries to express it for you. The body also reacts strongly when you live out of alignment with your values. You can function for a while, but your nervous system knows when you are forcing a life that isn't yours. That constant forcing becomes stress that never turns off. And when stress becomes identity, the immune system weakens, sleep becomes disturbed, and the body stays in survival mode. Healing begins when survival is no longer your default setting. Another hidden root is unresolved grief. Not only grief from death, but grief from endings, betrayals, lost years, broken dreams, and the version of you that never got to exist. Many people move on externally while still bleeding internally. The body remembers what the mind avoids. Grief stored in the system becomes heaviness, fatigue, and an emotional weight that medicine alone can't lift. Grief needs witnessing, not denial. And sometimes illness is the soul's interruption, a forced pause. The body creates a stop sign when the life you are living is too fast, too noisy, or too far from what you truly need. It is not that God sends sickness to harm you, but the spiritual law remains. What is ignored eventually becomes unavoidable. The body becomes the place where truth can no longer be negotiated. The body is the final messenger. Long before physical symptoms appear, there is emotional tension, suppressed truth, inner conflict, or spiritual misalignment. What the mind refuses to face, the body eventually reveals. When emotions are ignored, they do not disappear. They accumulate. Repressed feelings turn into tension. Tension becomes imbalance, and imbalance manifests as illness. Disease is not punishment. It is a signal, a call for awareness. Many illnesses are born from a life lived in contradiction. Saying yes while the soul screams no. Staying in environments that drain energy. Carrying emotional weight that was never meant to be carried. The body absorbs these conflicts silently until it can no longer hold them. Breathing problems often reflect emotional suffocation, the feeling of having no space to be yourself. Back pain frequently appears in those who carry responsibility for everyone except themselves. Digestive issues are commonly linked to difficulty processing situations, trauma, or unresolved injustice. Autoimmune conditions carry one of the deepest messages. They often emerge when a person lives in constant inner war, excessive guilt, self-judgment, or self-rejection. When the mind turns against the self, the body follows the same pattern. The attack is not physical first, it is internal. The heart spiritually represents coherence between emotion and action. When someone lives far from what they love, suppresses feelings, or betrays their own truth for too long, the heart feels it. Not only as an organ, but as a center of alignment. Illness also appears when life loses meaning. A life lived without purpose weakens vital energy. Survival alone is not enough for the human spirit. The body needs meaning just as much as it needs nourishment. This does not mean rejecting medicine. True healing happens when physical care and spiritual awareness work together. Treating symptoms without addressing inner causes may bring relief, but rarely brings transformation. When someone begins to listen honestly to themselves, something shifts. The nervous system calms. Energy flows more freely. The body relaxes when the soul is no longer under attack. Many symptoms fade when alignment is restored. Spiritual healing is not mystical escapism. It is honesty. It is forgiveness. It is releasing what cannot be controlled. It is leaving roles that no longer fit. It is finally speaking truths that were swallowed for years. Each aligned choice restores balance. The body never lies. It reflects what you live, think, and feel. When you learn to listen, it no longer needs to shout. Illness does not come to destroy. It comes to awaken, to remind you that something must change. If you are experiencing recurring pain, chronic fatigue, or illness without clear explanation, it may not be weakness. The body speaks. The question is, are you ready to listen? Motivation you need, where your awareness expands and your soul finds direction.